Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, y'all. It's your boy Kuchi, yo. I got football practice at like 5:30. Then tomorrow I got workout. Then another practice at like 5:30 or 5-ish. I don't know. It's 7:50 in the morning. I go to football workout. Then tonight we have 7-on-7 football game. So I can feel the workout because we can allow because it's like practice only, not like videoing or like something. But I try to take a video of the 7-on-7 game. So see you then. So I finished football workout. It's like 10 something. Then tonight we have 7-on-7. Almost like D1 school, but I think I have a clip tonight for my vlog. So like I maybe. So
we got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes off one more time maybe. Acting like you.
I just come back from 7-on-7 game. I went to school like we come back to school like 8:30. Come home, take my shower, we finish, then dinner, then I'm gonna watch some film today and get better tomorrow, and we go back at it again tomorrow. 2 practices, 2.